2021 Nissan Versa oil change. Get your oil. This one is high miles. 0820. Use the filter number. 14 millimeter socket. Filter wrench. I like to use the mallet just to loosen it and tighten it back up. Drain pan. Rag. Have a cardboard to lay on and help catch some of the oil if it spills. And I like to put it up on these ramps. It's just much easier. So unloosen this. The oil cap. Okay, let's go under. Here is your filter. Here is your pan nuts, 14 mil. So let me show you how I like to do this too. I'll put this on here. And then with this on here, I'll hold it, pressure to it, and then I'll tap it with the mallet. And it loosens it up. Now that it's loose, make sure your drain pan is under it. Catch the oil. Have your rag nearby. Let it drain. Take the filter off. Make sure the drain pan is under the filter to catch the oil. Have your rag nearby too. Set the filter on the pan so it can finish draining out. For the new filter, turn the new oil upside down to get oil on the cap. Take the cap off and put oil on the rubber on the new filter. Wipe this clean and put the filter on. Put it hand tight, then use the filter wrench to finish tightening it up. Take the bolt and put it back. Hand tighten it. Finish tightening it up with the wrench. Fill the engine back with oil. Put 4 quarts in first for now. The container is marked to let you know. Turn the car on and let it run for about 5 minutes. Check for leaks while it's running. If you see a leak, turn the car off, tighten up the filter or bolt. If you don't see a leak, turn the car off, then wait another 5 to 10 minutes to check the dipstick. Take the dipstick out, clean it, stick it in again, then check to make sure the oil level is between the low and high mark on the dipstick. If it looks good, put it back. Take the recycled oil to AutoZone. They'll let you dump it in the back in a big container for free. And lastly, reset the oil life on the dash. To do this, turn the car on and on your steering wheel, press the left arrow once. Go down to maintenance. Press OK. Press OK on the oil and filter. Go down to reset. Press OK. Confirm, yes. Press OK. And that's it. Back out of the screen and you're done. Thanks for watching.